Where is Ella, Dada? Ella, where are you? Oh, man. Hello.
Hello, Vloggy. Today we're making boba drinks.
Okay.
Oh, I farted.
Ew. What are we gonna do? Wash our
hands.
Hi, kitty cat.
Vloggy, first we're making boba tea. See the tea? We're making boba tea. Okay, let's get started. Hello, Vloggy. Welcome to my vlog. The milk is stuck to my chin. Stuck. Can you help me, Mommy? Help me.
Come on, come here.
Help.
Cannot reach. Okay, come on.
I'll stand up.
Okay.
Help me. Wow, that's so.
Okay, so what is
why
that?
are you so strong? How do you move the milk?
Of course, I'm your mommy. Okay, so what's the ingredients? First, what is it? This one, heavy whipping cream. We are going to make oolong tea with
Boba.
with what? With
Yeah.
crema. Okay, come on.
Open.
And we're gonna open it later. Okay, next, what's this?
Head. Milk.
Milk. We're gonna open it later. Next, what's this?
For the
What is that?
boba.
Boba. And then this one?
Tea.
Tea. Okay, let's go started.
Yeah. Boba tea. Choo-choo.
Okay.
Ask the grandma to help you with this tea because it's very hot. It will burn your hand and you will get blood.
Ay. So, yan yung oolong tea namin with apple pieces and cinnamon from Seapology. So, ano to? A Canadian company. Very, ano siya, organic. At saka sobrang sarap po niya.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna hold this.
Ito naman po yung milk na gagamitin namin. Oh, it's so good. Talaga. Tapos organic siya. Ayan. Para sa milk is for Baba.
Boba.
Okay. Good for bones.
We're gonna put it in the fridge for 10 minutes.
10 minutes until it's cold.
We're gonna put the sugar right in the tea.
Okay. More.
More. There's a giant one.
Okay, that's it.
One more. I know I got a thing, I know I can do it on my own. Help me. That's a good song. This one is dirty. This one is clean.
What are you gonna do with that?
To pour the boba. Lucky we get put the whipping cream like a heavy. I know I can be. I love you more when I put the mind. I know to what I know what you would cheat. Know why you can be scared of more. To be the you can be you. Know what can be. I know what you do with salt. Little tea. Put the boba. It's very hot.
Careful, not too much, Baba. It's a little hot.